Imagine living in a world where the only thing that matters is you. A world where you're the sun and everyone else is a mere planet orbiting around you. A world where your happiness, your desires, and your dreams are the only things that matter. This is the world of a narcissist, and if you've ever found yourself trapped in their web, you know how suffocating and destructive it can be. Today, we're going to explore the art of starving the narcissist of their supply. We'll learn how to recognize it, stop providing it, and ultimately break free from their toxic grasp. So let's dive in and put an end to this vicious cycle. Imagine a plant and the water it needs to survive. In a narcissist world, they are the plant, and you, the people around them, are their water. Narcissistic supply is the admiration, attention, and emotional energy that the narcissist feeds on to maintain their self-image and ego. Narcissists crave a constant supply of admiration and validation to fuel their fragile egos. They seek it. They manipulate others to get it, and when they don't receive it, they become desperate, angry, and vindictive. Let's explore the top types of narcissistic supply they seek to manipulate and control from those around them. Number 1. Compliments and admiration. Narcissists thrive on being praised and admired. They need others to validate their self-worth and inflate their grandiose sense of self. Number 2. Attention and recognition. Narcissists crave the spotlight, constantly seeking attention and recognition to reinforce their belief that they are superior to others. Number 3. Sympathy and pity. Narcissists may use their perceived victimhood to manipulate others into providing them with sympathy and pity, further validating their self-centered perspective. 4th. Power and control. Narcissists seek to control others to maintain their fragile sense of power and superiority. They manipulate emotions and create dependency to ensure loyalty. 5. Enablers and quote-unquote yes men. Narcissists surround themselves with people who cater to their needs and affirm their distorted view of reality, further fueling their ego. They may surround themselves with yes men, men who say yes to everything they do and do not challenge them. Number 6. Competitiveness and winning. Narcissists see life as a competition, always striving to win and prove their superiority. They take great pleasures in the defeat of others. Number 7. Jealousy and envy. Narcissists feed off the jealousy and envy of others, interpreting it as a validation of their perceived greatness. Number 8. Idolization and hero worship. Narcissists desire to be idolized and worshipped by others, reinforcing their belief that they are exceptional and worthy of admiration. 9. Material and social status. Narcissists often seek material wealth and social status to enhance their image and further validate their sense of self-importance. 10. Social influence and popularity. Narcissists crave social influence and popularity to confirm their belief in their own superiority and to maintain control over others. The key to breaking free from the narcissist's grip is to stop providing them with this supply, and that starts with recognizing how they extract it from you. It's important to understand that narcissists have a unique ability to find and exploit your vulnerabilities. They can sense your insecurities, your fears, and your weaknesses, and use them to manipulate you into providing them with the supply they crave. Some common tactics narcissists use to extract supply include: first, excessive praise and compliments to make you feel special. Second, gaslighting, or making you doubt your own reality. And third, triangulation, or pitting you against others to create drama. By recognizing these tactics, you can start to take back your power and stop providing the narcissist with the supply they crave. Now that you know how to recognize narcissistic supply, it's time to learn how to stop giving it. Here are some powerful strategies to help you break free from the narcissist's grip. Number 1, you want to practice self-awareness. You need to recognize your own vulnerabilities and be mindful of how the narcissist may try to exploit them. Practicing self-awareness is the first step towards breaking free from the narcissist's grip. It's about understanding your own vulnerabilities and being mindful of how the narcissist may try to exploit them. Begin by taking a moment to truly examine your emotions, your fears, and your insecurities. Write them down if it helps. As you explore the depths of your feelings, you may start to recognize patterns that the narcissist uses to manipulate you. Don't be afraid to share your vulnerabilities with someone you trust, someone who can help you see the bigger picture. By discussing these fears and insecurities, you gain the strength to face them head-on and become less susceptible to the narcissist's manipulations. As you become more self-aware, you'll start to notice how the narcissist attempts to exploit your vulnerabilities. Pay attention to the way they try to push your buttons or provoke reactions from you. This awareness will empower you to respond differently, and eventually, their tactics will lose their effectiveness. Remember, self-awareness is the key to your freedom. As you grow more in tune with your emotions and vulnerabilities, you will become better equipped to protect yourself from the narcissist's schemes. You will stand tall, resilient, and unshakable as you reclaim your power and take back control of your life. Number 2, Learn to walk away from toxic situations. It may be difficult, but remember that your mental and emotional well-being is more important than catering to the narcissist's needs. Walking away from toxic situations can be one of the most challenging yet vital steps to breaking free from the narcissist's grasp. As you distance yourself from toxicity, you may feel a sense of guilt or fear. You might question if you're doing the right thing. Remember, the narcissist has skillfully manipulated your emotions to make you doubt yourself. But deep down, you know that you deserve better. As you walk away from toxic situations, you are taking an essential step towards healing and self-discovery. With each step, you are moving further away from the darkness and closer to the light. You are choosing yourself, your happiness, and your future. So take that brave step forward. Walk away from toxicity and embrace the freedom that awaits you. You have the strength and resilience to forge a new path, one that leads to healing, growth, and happiness you truly deserve. On a quick note, if you find this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. Now, back to the video. Number 3. Cultivate self-love and self-compassion. When you love and accept yourself unconditionally, the narcissist's manipulations lose their power over you. Cultivating self-love and self-compassion is a transformative journey that will empower you to break free from the narcissist's manipulations. It's about embracing your worth, your strengths, and your imperfections, and recognizing that you are deserving of love and happiness. Begin by taking the time to acknowledge your unique qualities, strengths, and accomplishments. Write them down and remind yourself of these positive attributes every day. Celebrate your successes and let them be a testament to your resilience and determination. Nurture your passions and interests, and take time for yourself to engage in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. This act of self-care will not only strengthen your sense of self, but also remind you of your value beyond the narcissist's manipulations. Be kind and compassionate to yourself, especially during times of struggle or self-doubt. Remember that it's okay to feel pain or sadness, and give yourself the same care and understanding you would offer a loved one in need. As you cultivate self-love and self-compassion, the narcissist's manipulations will begin to lose their power over you. You will stand strong, rooted in the knowledge that you are worthy, loved, and deserving of respect. Embrace this journey towards self-love and self-compassion, for it is the key to breaking free from the narcissist's grasp. As you learn to love and accept yourself unconditionally, you will find the strength and courage to create a life filled with happiness, growth, and boundless possibilities. At number 4, you want to seek support. Surround yourself with people who truly care for you and understand your situation. Lean on them for strength and encouragement. Seeking support is a crucial part of your journey towards healing and breaking free from the narcissist's control. Remember that you are not alone in this battle, and there are other people who truly care for you and understand your situation. Don't be afraid to open up about your experiences with those you trust. Share your struggles, your fears, and your victories. Your support system will not only provide a safe space for expressing your emotions, but they will also offer valuable insights and encouragement. In moments of doubt or despair, lean on your loved ones for strength. Allow their understanding and empathy to help you navigate the challenges of breaking free from the narcissist's grasp. Consider joining a support group or seeking professional help from a therapist or counselor who specializes in narcissistic abuse. These resources can help you provide you with guidance, understanding, and the tools to help you heal and move forward. Stay connected with your support system, even as you make progress in your journey. They will continue to be a source of encouragement and motivation, reminding you of your strength and resilience. Surrounding yourself with people who truly care for you is a powerful weapon against narcissist manipulation. These genuine connections will remind you of your worth and help you reclaim your power. So, reach out, seek support, and let the love and understanding of those who care for you guide you through your journey towards healing. Together, you can overcome the challenges of narcissistic abuse and emerge stronger, more resilient, and ready to embrace a brighter future. 5. Practice emotional detachment. Learn to recognize and let go of the emotional hooks the narcissist use to reel you back in. Practicing emotional detachment is a vital skill in breaking free from the narcissist's manipulations. It's about learning to recognize and let go of the emotional hooks the narcissist uses to reel you back in, to maintain control over you. Begin by developing a sense of inner calm and peace. Meditate, practice deep breathing, or engage in grounding techniques to help you stay centered and composed, even in the face of the narcissist's attempt to provoke you. When the narcissist tries to manipulate your emotions, take a step back and observe your feelings as an outsider. Instead of becoming entangled in their web of control, acknowledge your emotions without judgment and remind yourself that they do not define you. Learn to identify the patterns and tactics the narcissist employs to control you. When you spot these patterns, make a conscious choice not to engage and maintain your emotional distance. Visualize an emotional shield that protects you from the narcissist's attempt to manipulate your emotions. As you strengthen this shield, you will become more resilient and less susceptible to their control. As you practice emotional detachment, you will gain the ability to let go of the emotional hooks the narcissist uses to reel you back in. This newfound freedom will empower you to regain control over your life and emotional well-being. Embrace this journey towards emotional detachment. for it is the key to breaking free from the narcissist's control. As you learn to recognize and let go of their manipulations, you will find the strength and courage to live a life of emotional freedom, self-respect, and boundless possibilities. By using these strategies, you can stop providing the narcissist with the supply they desperately seek and regain control over your life. You have the power to break free from the narcissist's grasp. You have the strength to rise above their manipulation, their control, and their toxicity. You are not responsible for the narcissist's happiness. You are not obligated to provide them with the supply they crave. You are worthy of love, respect, and happiness. You deserve to live a life free from the shackles of narcissistic abuse. So today, let this be the beginning of your journey towards freedom. A journey where you take back your power, reclaim your life, and embrace the happiness that you truly deserve. Remember that you are not alone, and that a brighter future awaits. Together, we can put an end to this vicious cycle of narcissistic abuse. Earlier, we discussed the tactics narcissists often use to manipulate you. But there's something else I've been exploring recently, something that has had an even more profound impact on identifying narcissists in my life. If you're interested, then check out these other videos to embark on a path towards greater self-awareness, healthier relationships, and emotional freedom.